welcome you all to our brilliant channel Maths Nation. Dear students, if you have not subscribed Maths Nation, kindly subscribe it now and press the bell icon to get the notification of the upcoming videos. Students, I promise you to complete your syllabus and would like to solve all your queries which you may kindly drop in my comment box. So dear students, in my last sessions we have discussed about circles. Today we continue with this statistics. Statistics is a chapter, it is very important chapter. Let us take some introductions about statistics. What is statistics? Statistics. Suppose you have given some data, then this data is called raw data. Suppose you have given consider the mark of 10 students in a class in mathematics. In mathematics, suppose class 10 students score marks in mathematics test. Suppose this is given, one score 55, another 36, then 95. This is data of 10 students scored in maths test. 60, 42, 25, 78, 75 and next 62. This is data of 10 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This data is not arranged in either in ascending order or in descending order. This data is called raw data. When we arrange it in ascending or descending order. Suppose we arrange it in ascending order. At first this is 25, then 36, then next 42, then next 55, next 60, then 62, then 73, 75, 78, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then 10. 95. This is arranged in ascending order. This is the lowest mark and this is the highest mark. Difference between the lowest and the highest mark, highest data is called the, this is called the range. This is the lowest data and this is the highest data. Difference between the lowest and the highest is called the range. Here range of the data is 95 minus 25, this is 70. 70 is the range of the given data. This is the raw data and we arrange it in particular either in ascending order or in descending order. Then the data is called array and this is the range of the data, difference between highest and lowest. Then next take another examples. Consider some marks are given by students. Out of 100 marks, the 30 students score in a class test exam. Suppose highest mark is 100. Highest mark 100 and 30 students score the marks. Some 10, 20, 36, 92, then 95, then 40, 50, then 56, 60, 70. How many students are there? There are 30 students score. There are 30 students in a class, and in maths test total highest mark is 100. Students score, someone score 10, 20, 36, 92, 95, 40, 50, 56, then 60, 70, then 92, someone score 92, then 88, then 80, then 70, then some score 72, then some another score 70, next 36. Suppose it is written in roll number wise. Number 1 roll number score 10. In this way, number wise, roll number wise students score, these marks. Then we here this the data is given in raw data, and if we arrange them in ascending or descending order, then we say these are array. Then can we find out the difference between highest and lowest, which is called the range of the given data. Then this is the score of the students, which are this. Then how many students are there? 30 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then 10, 20, 30. There are 30 students score these marks in a math test. We arrange them in frequency table. Suppose this we arrange them in frequency table. This is the table. Okay. Then we arrange them. Marks and the number of students. Marks and the this is marks and the number of students or frequency. Frequency means suppose the students, how many students score 70? 1, 2, 2 students score 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 students score 70 marks. Means frequency of 70 is here 4. How many students score 10 mark? Anyone score 10? No. This one score 10 mark. Only one student score 10 mark. Then the frequency of 10 is 1. In this way we can write this is number of students or frequency. Number of students or frequency. Okay. Then here the mark 10, then 20, then 36, next 40, then 50, then 60, then 70, 72, then 80. I cannot write here. Please extend the table here also. Then this is marks. Here the number of students. Score. Then this is 72. Here 80. Then next 88, 92, then 95. Look at here. How many students score 10 mark? 1 students. Then the frequency of 10 mark is 1. How many students score 20 mark? Only 1 students. Then the frequency of 20 is 1. How many students score 36? 1, 2, 3. Then the frequency of 36 is 3. Then how many students score 40 marks? Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the frequency of 40 is 4. In the same way, when you calculate the how many students score 50 marks, you get 3 students. Then how many students get 60 marks? You 50. Then next 56 marks also here. How many students score 56 marks? How many students score 56 marks? 2 students score 56 marks. Then how many students score 60 marks? 4 students scores 60 marks. Then 70 marks scored by 4 students. Then 72 by only 1 students. 80 mark is also scored by 1 students. Then 88 by 2 students. 92 by 3 students. Then only 1 student score 95. Then here calculate 30 students score. This is the data given for 30 students. 1, 2, then 2 plus 3, 5, 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14, then 18, 22, 23, then 24, 26, 29, 30. How many students data here given? 30 students data given, and the 10 mark score only 1 students, 20 mark score 1 students, 36 mark 3, 40 mark 4 students. This is the frequency. Frequency of 40 is 4, frequency of 50 is 3, frequency of 56 is 2. In this way, in the frequency table, we can find out from the data the how many number of students or the frequency of the given data. Okay, then next. Then next. Here the 100 plants 100 plants each were planted in 100 schools during Vanmotsav Utsav. One Vanmotsav Utsav is celebrated in 100 schools, where the 100 schools are provided 100 plants. 100 plants are provided to 100 schools. Here 100 plants are provided to 100 schools. Then number of schools is equal to 100, and each school provided 100 plants. Then here after 1 month, plants are calculated or recorded by the school. Then how many schools can grow the number of trees, the saplings into tree. Here after 1 month, the data given here 95, first school 100 schools are given their data or record, how they are provided 100 plants and how many saplings they can survive. Here 95, then next 76, then next 75, 89, 93, then 86, then 87, next 69, then 92, 53, then 67, 42, 83, 65, 68, 90, 56, then 83, then 70, 83, then 75, then 69, next 28. This school can only survive the 28 trees. Here 32, then 76, 73. Here the data are given how many saplings, how many plants can be survived by the schools. Then some school is able to survive 95 plants, some 93, and some can also survive only 28. They cannot grow those given saplings into tree. Then next 58, then 86, then 89, here 90. Here the school can survive only 32 plants. Here the school 38, here the school 83, here 81, then next 79, 62, 23, 43, then next 66, then 55. Then here the school 65, then 42. In this way, the given data are given by the schools. Then by collecting these data, we can make a frequency table and use the tally mark. You know what is tally mark? Here we make it a range. This is we make the range, suppose 20 to 29. We can make them a class size. The class size is taken 10. Here 20 to 29. Then next make the class size 30 to 39. This is the lowest, this is the highest. Here this is the lower limit, this is the highest limit. We make this given raw data into a class size table and then make it the tally mark or the frequency. Okay, then look at here. Keep the data here, keep the data here, then we continue with this. Look at here. Suppose the data is given in this way, we make this table, we make a table to show in the process of class width. We make this given raw data into a class width table. Suppose here number of plants, here number of plants, here number of plants, here number of plants. Then next here tally mark. You know what is tally marks? In previous class, in class 8, you know what is tally marks. Here number of schools, here number of school. Okay, then here number of school. Then make the data in a fixed class size. Suppose we make from 20 to 29, from 20 to 29. Then next data make 30 to 39. Then next 40 to 49. Then 50 to 59. Next 60 to 69. Then 70, 79. This is called the lower limit. This is called the highest limit of this class size. Of this class, the width of the class is 10. 70, 79, 80, 89. Then next 90, 99. Then how many schools are able to survive the plants from 20 to 29? How many schools? 3 schools. Then make the tally mark 1, 2, 3. Then next 30 to 39. How many schools can able to survive the plants? 14 schools can able to survive. 14 in the tally mark representations 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then next 40 to 49. How many schools are able to survive? 12 schools. Then represents in tally marks 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1, 2 because 12. Then next 50 to 59. How many schools are able? 8 schools are able to survive 50 to 59 saplings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. These are 8 datas. Then next 60 to 69. How many schools? 18 schools are able to survive the plants 60 to 69. Then 18 can be represented in tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next 1, 2, 3. This is represents in tally mark 18 datas. Then next 70 to 79. How many schools? 10 schools. It can be represented in tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next 80 to 89. How many schools able to survive? 23 schools. This is highest. Then 23 can be represented in tally mark 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then next 1, 2, 23. 23. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then next 90 to 99. Only 12 schools. Then this can be represented 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Only 12 schools. This is the how many schools? Here the total. Here you add this, we get 100 schools. Then they can able to survive the total plants given them their given 100 plants are provided to 100 schools, then after 1 month the school calculate and give their records how many plants they can survive. Then this is the frequency table. How can you represent these data? The data which is given is called raw data. When you arrange them in ascending or descending order, these are called array. Then the difference between the lowest and highest is called the range. And here in the frequency table we can make a class size or class width. The lowest is called the lower limit, and the upper, suppose this is 20 to 29, then the 20 is called the lower limit, where 29 is called the upper limit. In this way we can represent this. Today this much, students. In my next sessions we will continue with next level of statistics of bar graph, then what is histogram, etc. Thank you, students. Happy learning.